Lexus just recently revealed the details about the all-new 2023 Lexus UX luxury subcompact crossover SUV. The Japanese automaker stated the 2023 UX would be offered exclusively as a hybrid while giving a much more enhanced styling and performance with F-Sport packages. But the question is, do car experts approve of the new Lexus UX? Find out by watching this video. There are many cars out there which are designed to make you think they are SUVs. The Subaru Outback and the Volvo V60 Cross Country come to mind. But the 2023 Lexus UX is an SUV which does its level best to look and feel like a car. It shares its platform with the Toyota Prius, and the new Lexus UX also comes only as a hybrid. Essentially, last year's UX 250h hybrid model with a few updates. But is the 2023 Lexus UX a crossover? A hatchback? Well, it doesn't really matter. It's a quality all-purpose commuter and a worthy entry point for the Lexus brand. For 2023, the UX ditches its gas powertrain and gets a major infotainment upgrade. The automaker Lexus has recently dropped the non-hybrid UX 200 models from the lineup for the year 2023, which make the hybrid powertrain standard. Lexus has also said that they have changed the UX's chassis and suspension to improve handling and ride quality. A front-wheel drive version of the hybrid is brand new. Moreover, the new Lexus UX will be powered by a 181 horsepower 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain, which is paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission and either front or all-wheel drive. The UX 250h, which car experts tested in 2019, proved to be half asleep, needing 8.6 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, an eternity by 2022 standards. Luckily, experts stated that it had a good steering feel and a quiet refinement, which proved to be appealing enough to help make up for its lack of quickness. Also, an F-Sport package brings out a much sportier tune to the suspension, with 18-inch wheels on run-flat tires, as well as exclusive interior and exterior appointments. As is typical with hybrid cars, the Lexus UX is better at saving fuel all around town than on the interstate, with an EPA estimate ratings of 43 mpg in the city and 41 mpg on the highway with front-wheel drive, and 41 mpg in the city and up to 38 mpg on the highway with all-wheel drive. That was proven when car experts tested an all-wheel drive 2019 UX 250h on the 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test route, part of the extensive testing regimen, and it gave only 31 mpg, which is 7 mpg lower than its EPA estimate. Now, for a sportier driving experience and an exclusive look, the new 2023 Lexus UX will offer the F-Sport design and handling packages. Both packages have F-Sport wheels, a unique grille with dark roof rails, a black roof, painted wheel arch molding, rain-sensing wipers, a moonroof, fog and cornering lamps, and automatic headlamp leveling. Also, the F-Sport handling package builds off of the F-Sport design package with various performance enhancements. This includes performance dampers and an active variable suspension. And in addition to the F-Sport packages and even dropping the gas-powered variant, the new 2023 Lexus UX has better handling and a quieter ride. These improvements result from changes to the UX's suspension and chassis. In past years, the F-Sport designation was purely a matter of aesthetics. It comes with exclusive rims, a blacked-out grille, body color fender flares, and what Lexus calls performance-inspired instrumentation. For 2023, the F-Sport gets some bite to match its bark. An optional F-Sport handling package adds an adaptive suspension, performance dampers, and a steering gear brace. Car experts are optimistic the upgrades will improve the UX's unrefined ride, but the hardware may need to be a better match for its mild-mannered hybrid powertrain. The UX is an entry-level luxury vehicle that doesn't disappoint. It has quality materials like synthetic leather upholstery and soft plastic surfaces. It also has sophisticated styling and good build quality. Lexus ensures passengers know this is a luxury vehicle, thanks to its attractive layout and lavish materials. The experience can further be elevated with options such as heated as well as ventilated front seats, with a head-up display and snazzier materials. It also boasts standard features, including dual-zone climate control and power-adjustable front seats. While the rear seat is far from spacious, it is also not as cramped as expected. Unfortunately, the cargo area behind those seats seems to be a bit skimpy. In the test, car experts managed to fit only 4 carry-on suitcases back there, and by comparison, they could cram an extra 3 carry-ons in the back of the BMW X1. The feature-filled UX infotainment system has some applicable physical controls integrated in the control panel. However, most operations require the use of the selective remote touch controller, comparable to a laptop's. Moreover, every Lexus UX has a touchscreen infotainment system with the latest wireless Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto Tech, with a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot and also 4 USB ports. The little Lexus can also be enhanced with numerous options, including a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen, built-in navigation, wireless charging, along with an 8-speaker premium audio system. The all-new Lexus UX is a solid luxury subcompact SUV. The new Lexus also has some of the best fuel economy figures in the class, as well as its small turning radius makes it easy to fit into tight parking spots and even navigate crowded streets. The UX is also one of the most budget-friendly choices in the class, but its interior quality doesn't suffer by any means. This vehicle is ultimately less appealing than most competitors because of its below-average cargo capacity, underpowered engine, and one of the least user-friendly infotainment systems in the class. The 2023 Lexus NX250h is available in 4 trim levels, which are Base, Premium, F-Sport Design, and F-Sport Handling. The premium trim is the same price as the F-Sport Design, and both add niceties over the base UX. The F-Sport Handling model is the priciest of the bunch, but comes with a standard performance dampers and an active variable suspension system to help smooth out the UX's stiff ride, which is one of our major issues with the vehicle. The UX offers the best value in the base trim, where its standard equipment shines, but for a lower cost. In addition to the new infotainment system and safety tech, all UX models get dual-zone automatic climate control, heated side mirrors, and a leather-trimmed steering wheel and shift knob. The 2022 UX earned a 5-star rating from the NHTSA and a top safety pick nod from the IIHS. Car experts have seen no reason either would change for 2023. In fact, this year's tweaks to the new UX's sensors and driver aids should make it safer than ever. Lexus claims its new Safety System Plus 2.5 boasts smoother steering assistance, a smarter adaptive cruise control, and an improved front camera. All active safety features, including automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitors, come standard on every model. Moreover, the all-new 2023 Lexus UX may target for a small niche, but it finds the mark. It's a luxury subcompact crossover that's well-suited to commuting and urban duty. For the 2023 model year, the UX benefits from a newly modernized infotainment system, improved safety tech, and F-Sport upgrades. The all-new Lexus UX can be challenging to like. We've never gotten used to its aggressive exterior, and the suspension is jarring on rough pavement. Passenger space trails the competition, particularly in the second row. For all these reasons, the UX didn't make an impact at our 2020 SUV of the Year showdown. The all-new 2023 Lexus UX is available to build and the price on the Lexus site. It will be available to purchase at all Lexus dealerships throughout the United States, as well as in select international markets. The Lexus UX is actually built in Miyawaka, Japan. The starting price of the all-new 2023 Lexus UX Hybrid is $35,925 for the 4-wheel drive version and around $37,325 for the all-wheel drive model. Also, the additional starting trim pricing states UX 250h Premium $38,385 for the 4-wheel drive and $39,785 for the all-wheel drive. UX 250h F-Sport Handling $43,355 for the 4-wheel drive and $44,755 for the all-wheel drive. And UX 250h F-Sport Design $38,385 for 4-wheel drive and $39,785 all-wheel drive. However, the new Lexus UX has plenty of appeal for travelers who don't often carry friends. Its tech features are strong for the price, and it's one of the market's most efficient luxury subcompact crossovers. The interior feels premium, and the UX comes with a Lexus reputation for longevity. As an entry-level luxury runabout, it's a solid value, and as a result, it was a 2022 IntelliChoice Best Overall Value Award winner. What are your thoughts on the all-new Lexus UX 2023? Let us know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon in another video.